Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.10, Problem 22. This is Section 4.10, Problem 22. It says convert the gas mileage from the previous problem into feet per gallon. So the previous problem, the answer was 0.00195325 miles per gallon. And if you remember, that was the gas mileage for Grandpa Simpson's car when he claimed that he got 40 rods to the hogshead in his car, and that's the way he liked it. Miles per gallon, that's like very, very bad. So what is it in feet per gallon? So what I have is 0.00195325, and that's miles. That's how many miles you go for every 1 gallon of gas that you consume in your car. So what I'd like to do is have it in feet per gallon. So he's going to burn up a gallon of gas every few feet at that rate. So I'd like the miles to cancel. And I know from problem 10 in the homework, let's put it here, number 10, gave me that 5,280 feet are equal to 1 mile. So what I have to do is I want to multiply that in a fraction. 5,280 feet will be in one part of the fraction, 1 mile in the other. You just have to decide what's in the numerator, what's in the denominator. Well, what do you want to cancel? I want the miles to cancel. So when I multiply, I want the mile to be in the bottom, 1 mile. And in the numerator, the equivalent amount is 5,280 feet. So now miles will cancel, and I'll have feet per gallon. So I have to do the multiplication point 0.00195325 times 5,280, and that will be in feet per gallon. That's something I definitely want to do on the calculator. So when I put it through, I get 10.3125 feet per gallon. So Grandpa Simpson's car rolls a little more than 10 feet and it burns up a whole gallon of gas. That's pretty bad.